Hello, my name is Michelle, and today I just want to show you guys how to do a daisy link. The purpose of it is mainly when you're putting away your silk or your fabric. If you want to leave it hanging, you usually put it up in a daisy link. So, and it's a handy knot to know. So first what you'll be doing is a crochet, and you'll go up with your arm. So it's outside, inside, crochet. And so once you've gone, so you'll come around yourself, you'll go around one more time. When you see your hand for the second time, you'll reach down and grab the tail, and then you'll pull it through this loop. See, my hand is now making a loop. So you'll grab that and you'll pull it through. And you have now a link. So what you can do is you can actually keep going with this to put away the rest of your fabric. You can just keep grabbing the tail, pulling it through. Grabbing the tail, pulling it through. Grabbing the tail, pulling it through. And you can actually make these links as big as you want them. You can continue pulling fabric out and make a big giant link, and grab some more tail, pull that through, make a giant link, or you can do them tight like I was doing. So now, this is what a daisy chain looks like. And it keeps your fabric from dragging on the floor. Another good use for a daisy chain, or a daisy knot. Yeah, they're not really called daisy knots, I just made that up. But so you go once, twice, grab the tail, pull it through, tighten it. I made a big loop, but now you have a tight knot and you can actually step into this loop. Not only that, but you can actually also step into the top part. And what this is actually called is a hammock. So now you can sit inside of it. You can do inversions. So that, my friends, is a daisy chain. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Michelle, and keep watching because I have more videos to come. Thank you. Just wanted to show you guys what a aerial hammock looks like, because when I did the daisy link and turned it into a hammock, that's not a real hammock. Okay, this is what a real hammock looks like. So the difference is the fabric is tied on both ends, tied to the top on both ends. And then it creates this very long hammock where you can sit inside of this, the U-shaped part. You can do inversions, you can sit, you can stand, you can do a lot of different things. So this is a real hammock. When I showed you guys the daisy chain, I created a hammock, but it's kind of like a faux hammock because you can't really do all the same things you could normally do with one of these hammocks, because you have this tail hanging down. So just keep that in mind. Also, one thing I didn't show you guys was when you do a daisy chain, when you get to the very end of the fabric, you're left with this tail hanging. And one clean way to put it away is to grab this tail and grab the loop, the last loop you have, and just pull it through. And just let that tail hang. And that's kind of how you keep it from pulling on itself, pulling itself out and unraveling. Just something handy to know. And then obviously when you want to take your daisy chain out, you have to pull that tail out before you can't just pull on the tail and expect it to unravel, because that you created a knot. So you pull that tail out of the loop's still there, and now that the tail's out, you can pull it and it unravels the entire daisy chain. Ta-da!